Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to set mobile name in camera photo in Samsung step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Samsung phone and open the camera app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, in the camera menu, locate and tap on the Settings option. You will find it in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Once you are in the camera settings menu, scroll down and look for the watermark option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. You will notice that the watermark option is currently disabled, but don't worry, enabling it is simple. Step 5. Now, simply tap on the toggle button to turn it on. If you want to customize the device name, tap on the Edit option. Here, you can type in your preferred name. Once done, confirm your changes by tapping the Save button. Step 6. To check if the settings have been applied, go back to the camera menu. Position your camera and take a photo. Wait a few seconds, then open the recently captured photo and view its details. You should now see your customized mobile name displayed on the image. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.